Hi everyone, it's Caitlin. Thanks for stopping in for another online workshop. This topic is meal planning and healthy snacking for busy college students. And if you stick around to the end, we're going to be doing a cooking tutorial on how to make Gear Up energy bars. So stay tuned. Starting off with meal planning. What is meal planning? Well, it's an organized way of preparing and pre-portioning meals to eat for specific days or durations. So typically done Monday to Friday and for a specific meal, so either breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So why should we meal plan? So 1, you get to save money. 2, you get to eat healthier meals. And 3, you get to practice portion control. So saving money. As you can see, I compared 2 prices, one from Dunkin' Donuts and one from home for a breakfast sandwich, both having ham, egg, and cheese. As you can see, the one from home is about half the cost that you can buy in store. I also did the same for smoothies. You can get a Jamba Juice smoothie for about $6, or you can make your own at home for $1.60. So that's a pretty big difference. And if you didn't know, drinks are one of the most highest marked up items in food. So the next time you buy a drink, just know the amount it takes to make the drink is a lot less than you think. Next up is healthier meals. So by having your own meal prep, it gives you a less reason to grab fast food. It also helps you with weight management and avoiding empty calories, as well as being kinder to your body because you get to eat more nutrient-dense foods. So nutrient-dense foods are foods with more vitamins and minerals. And these come from fruits, vegetables, and fiber. Now let's look at an Ella Now chicken katsu plate. As you can see, it has 0 vegetables, 0 whole grains, and 0 fruits. So I wouldn't say it's a very nutrient-dense food. As you can see, it does have a lot of calories though. It has about 1,800 calories, which is greater than half the calories you should be eating in a day. And last one is practicing portion control. So you know yourself best, so you know exactly how much you can eat for that day. So by pre-portioning out food and choosing healthier options, it lets you consume just the right amount of calories and also having a healthier option for meals for lunch or dinner or breakfast. And how do we meal plan? Well, step 1, you have to plan out your menu. You can try something new or recycle recipes. You can also get creative by making themes for your days like Meatless Mondays, Taco Tuesdays, Wrap Wednesdays, let's see, Tteokbokki Thursdays, or even Fish Fridays. And step 2, we have to set a time and date to cook and grocery shop. And then last step, step 3, we're gonna cook up a feast and portion out our meals. And just some food safety for everyone. Make sure to keep your food refrigerated or packed with ice. Any food left out for more than 4 hours needs to be trashed. All right, and then just additional meal planning tips. We want you to focus on whole fruits and vegetables, about 2 to 3 cups, as well as aim for at least half of your grains to be whole grains, and that's about 6 ounces. And just for reference, 1 slice of bread is going to give you about 1 ounce of grains. And then our last one is proteins. So we want you to have a variety of proteins, not just red meats. You can also try out beans, dairy products, eggs, and soy products. And that's going to be about 5 to 6 ounces. Or for size comparison, about 6 eggs, because 1 egg is equal to 1 ounce of protein. All right, next section is healthy snacking. And what types of snacks? Well, we have snacks that help you gain weight or could be a meal replacement, as well as snacks that help with satiety, so helping you stay full. So, first one, helping you gain weight or a meal replacement. These snacks are protein bars, smoothies, or shakes. They tend to be high in calories but also nutritious. And then satiety snacks are lower in calories. They tend to have a little bit more protein or fiber to help you stay full. And these can be high protein yogurts, whole fruits, and vegetable snacks. And then one main thing about snacking is portion sizes. So we're going to do a quick little game. Pause the video now. Give yourself a few seconds to pick out how much is one serving of oranges, one serving of popcorn, and one serving of cheese. Okay, ready for the answers? Okay, so oranges. One large orange is actually going to be 1 cup of fruit, so that's one serving, about the size of a baseball. Popcorn, you can actually have 3 cups of popped popcorn, so 3 baseball sizes. And last one, cheese. We want about 1.5 ounces. So that's about 3 to 4 cubes of cheese. So about 3 dices. Not very much, huh? All right. Thanks for staying till the end. Now, next up, let's get to cooking Gear Energy Bars.
Hi everyone, it's Caitlin. Thanks for staying to the end of the video. And now I want to teach you guys a quick and easy recipe called Gear Energy Bars. So Gear Energy Bars is a way to keep you full and focused throughout the day. So when I was going to school and had class and like boring lectures, I would sometimes nod off. And to prevent myself from doing that, I would always have some kind of snack, so like a granola bar. So I think these are a great way to keep you focused in class if you ever have the munchies. And if you do make this recipe, please comment down below and let us know what you think. Alright, now let's get cooking.
Ingredients. For this recipe, you will need to gather 7 ingredients: butter, peanut butter, marshmallows, peanuts, cranberries, rice puff cereal, and oatmeal. These ingredients are interchangeable, so if you don't like peanuts, change them out for another type of nut. Or cranberries, you can change it out for a different dried fruit. Next, let's portion out our ingredients. You will need 1/4 cup of butter or margarine, half a cup of peanut butter, 1 bag of mini marshmallows, 1 cup of unsalted peanuts, 1 1/2 cup dried cranberries, 2 cups of oatmeal, and 2 1/2 cup of rice puff cereal. Directions. Grease a 9 by 13 inch baking pan. In a large pot over medium heat, melt your butter, peanut butter, marshmallows, and mix till smooth. Once smooth, we're gonna add in the rest of our ingredients, like our peanuts. We're also gonna be adding our cranberries, and our last ingredient, we're going to be adding our oatmeal and Rice Krispies cereals. So at this step, we're going to want to work pretty fast because the mixture is going to start to harden. Once you add all your ingredients, you're going to continue to mix until you get something that looks like this. Once fully combined, transfer this mixture to your 9 by 13 pan and press down firmly. Cool the mixture for 10 minutes before you cut into 6 by 4 squares. To store your energy bars, wrap them in wax paper and place them in Ziploc bags. For a copy of the recipe, click on the link in the description box below. Once again, thank you for joining us for another online workshop. If you'd like to see more of this content, Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and we'll see you guys soon.